Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to activate your SuitsMe account. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the SuitsMe app and install it. Open the app, then tap Login. Type your email address and tap Confirm. Just note that your email is case sensitive and if copied, a space might be added, so double check before confirming. Open your email and look for the sign in to your SuitsMe account and follow the steps to verify your email and phone number. A one-time password will be sent to your phone via SMS. Enter the OTP in the app, then tap Confirm. Choose a 5-digit password for quick app access and tap Confirm. Then follow the on-screen instructions to enable Face ID or fingerprint. Locate the 4-digit activation code from the letter that came to your SuitsMe debit card. Enter it like your date of birth, then tap Confirm. You'll receive an email with an activation link. Open the email and click the activation link. Now open the SuitsMe app and tap Activate Card. Click Submit and congratulations, your SuitsMe account is now ready to use. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.